Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you what is Upwork and how to sign up. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first, if you downloaded the app, then open it, and first you can see what is Upwork. So it's a platform to find work, to chat and collaborate on the go, find interesting projects and submit proposals, stand out by replying to clients quickly and getting to work, collaborate on the go, so chat, share files and complete projects. So if you do not have an account, you have to click on the new to Upwork sign up button, and then you can continue with Google or to type in all your information. I think that the easiest way it's to continue with Google. So after that, you have to select your country. Here is a list and you have to choose, and after that you can choose to get emails with tips on how to find talent that fits my needs, and you have to agree to the terms and conditions of the application of the app, sorry. And after that, click on the create my account. After that, you have to create your profile. You have to answer a few questions, and for that you uh, for that you need to click on the get started, and after that you can edit your profile later on. So the first question is, have you freelanced before? This let us know how much help to give you along the way. Nope, it's new to me. Okay, so what's your biggest goal for freelancing? Different people come to offer for different reasons. We want to highlight the opportunities that fit your goals best while still showing you all the possibilities. Which of these feels most right for you? To earn my main income, to make money on the side, to get experience so I can find a full-time job, or I don't have a goal, I'm exploring. Okay, I guess to earn my main income. All right, everybody works in different ways, so we have different ways of helping you win work. You can select multiple preferences now and can always change it later. I'd like to find opportunities myself. I'd like to package up my work for clients to buy. I'd like Upwork to act as a recruiter. Okay, you can select all the options, and after that click on the next, create a profile, and it should work. How would you like to tell us about yourself? Upload your resume or fill out manually, which takes like 15 minutes. You can upload a PDF file, a Word document, or rich text file, and make sure it's 5 megabyte or less. Alright, so I uploaded my resume. So now add a title to tell the world what you do is the very first thing clients see, so make it count. Stand out by describing your expertise in your own words. After that, if you have relevant work experience, add it here. After that, you have to add your education. You don't have to have a degree. Adding any relevant education helps make your profile more visible. So right now, I'm not going to upload any degree certificates, but of course you have to, and you need to do that if you want to find a job. After that, you have to tell which languages you speak. Alright, and what work are you here to do? Your skills show clients what you can offer, add or remove the ones we have suggested, or start typing to pick more. It's up to you. So I typed in some skills, and after that click on the now write your bio. So now write a bio to tell the world about yourself, help people to get to know you at a glance. What work are you best at? Tell them clearly using paragraphs or bullet points. You can always edit later, just make sure you proofread now. Okay, I've just typed in some skills, and now what is the main service you offer? Relevant experience can help your profile stand out. Choose the categories that best describe the type of work you do, so we can show you the right type of clients in search results. So you have to select a category. Here you can see a list. I've just selected the main service. And now let's set your hourly rate. Clients will see this rate on your profile and in search results. Once you publish your profile, you can adjust your rate every time you submit a proposal. So you have to give an hourly rate and then click on the Leslie photo and location. And now my profile should be set. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.